talking about right there. Y'all got any more coming out?
No, I think that's it. We're waiting for
Now you're bringing the bike.
I was, but it was gonna rain. I mean, I gotta bring up back on the bike right quick. I'll stay in front of everybody.
Huh?
I might as well be in the back.
Well, you're used to it. You want to be in front? Sure. Well, we'll let you be in front for a change. How about that? All right, so you do.
We got the whole gang going to the drag strip tonight. Woo! Yeah, boy. These are just the best nights, I swear to. Oh my God, I love these type of nights. Just rolling with the boys, with our cars to the drag strip. Nothing could be better than this. I'm on the highway racing right now with friends in the front. I don't know if you can see them or hear them, but they're racing. Get off the highway so no one comes between us.
I've ever driven my car.
Then we're going 100 the whole way.
I've literally at no point ever. I've never set my cruise at 110 before. I literally was in 5th gear. I'm like, yeah, cruise 110.
I was just waiting for a cop to pull out of nowhere. I was like, God.
Clear, bro.
Oh
like,
yeah.
We were up front. There was like I kept telling what's the name like.
I get the different Brembos for front.
He made that vet look like. For watching. I hope you guys enjoyed. There's many more content coming soon with all the guys. I didn't really show so much of their cars, but in the next video I'll make sure to tell you what they got done to their cars. And I'm sorry that I didn't record any of me racing other people. It's just because they got 2 hands and I need 2 hands to drive, you heard. Thank you for watching and I hope you guys enjoyed. Please comment, like, and subscribe.